up? It's Dina here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a quick review of the NUDESTIX Magnet Eye Color Pencil in the shade Immorto. And here's the product. I recently did a review of their Magnet Matte Lipstick pencil, which I will link at the end of this video if you're interested in checking it out. So they're both the Magnet series, and that one is for the lips and this one is for eyeshadow. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel Dina Does by clicking the red button below and turn on notifications so you'll receive regular updates from me. Alright, so I was browsing for a eyeshadow pencil for like ever. So I was just browsing at Sephora and there were a few options. This one caught my eye because of its packaging, and also it had pretty reasonable pricing at $24. So I decided to give it a try. Along with this purchase, I also bought their eyeliner roller as well as the matte lip pencil. So let's start with the packaging. As always, all their pencil products come in a box like this. This box is pretty light. It's much larger in size, of course, than the actual pencil. On the side it says Immortal, the color, the shade that I picked. And then when you open the box, there's a mirror on the lid, which is one of my favorite parts about the packaging. Also the sort of like a brief intro instructions, as well as their pencil sharpener that is custom sized. So 3 things in the box. I mean, I like the fact that it comes with its own sharpener. Alright, moving on to the product itself. This pencil is a little bit bigger in diameter compared to the regular, let's say, lip liner or eyeliner or eyebrow pencil that we use. And when you open it, it has a very nice thick crayon top. And I picked this color, Immorto, because I usually just wear one shade for my eyeshadow on a daily basis, just every day going to work. This is like sort of the safest color I thought I would pick, just so I can use it anywhere, any day. I'd say it's like a latte sort of brownish color with a golden glitter to it, so it's not matte. So I am wearing these eyeshadows right now on my eyes, and this is the color under natural lighting. So next I'm going to show you guys the application of this product. It's actually very smooth and very easy to use. Okay, so right now I have one eye with this eyeshadow pencil applied already. If you want to get a close up to what my eye look like with the shadow on. And then this eye, I'm going to apply it now. Right now I'm going to apply on this eye. I have no makeup on here except eyelash extensions and nothing else. So I'm going to apply it now. In the color Immorto. Alright, here we go. So I especially love it because nowadays with eyelash extensions, I don't really use eyeliner anymore. So it goes on very smoothly for sure, and it's pretty pigmented. Going upwards, I use less force, so there's a lighter color going on, and then I use my fingertips to blend it out so it's not like super dark. Yeah, and then the end of it, use my finger to blend it out, do a comparison. This eye is still a little bit darker, so I'm gonna apply one more stroke and then blend it out a bit more again. Alright, take a look. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go to my lower eye. So I always these days use eyeshadows for my lower lash line to create this sort of like lower eyeliner effect without actually putting on eyeliner here, which could be a little bit too dark. It just makes my eye looks bigger and more natural. Alright, so this is like the final look. So I like this product quite a bit for several reasons. First of all, it's so convenient to use, and that's why I was searching for a good eyeshadow pencil in the first place, because I feel like traveling, I don't want to bring like too many brushes for my eyes, like for like contouring, for my blushes, etc. It just adds up, and then I just want to minimize my makeup bag. And this pencil will just basically help me eliminate the eyeshadow brush. As you can see in the application video just now, you could really use this to draw out the exact eyeshadow shape and depth that you are looking for. So start out with close to that lash line, and then you know, draw several layers if needs to be, and then you can just blend it out with your finger. And after it's set, you're good to go, because like now if I touch it, there's no color coming off. Maybe there's a little bit of glitter, but that's it. Almost nothing, which is awesome. And the most amazing part for me is that I could use this for my lower lash line, because with a regular eyeshadow, even though I could use my fingers for the application with the upper lid, I could never do it with my fingers for my lower lash line. I always have to use a brush, but with this one I could do without a brush, so it's perfect. And secondly, the color. I'm pretty happy with the color. I mean, if you check it out, it gives you that sort of like depth that you want with a relatively darker color. Well, the shimmer is not overwhelming, it's not too glittery, but it adds a glow to your eye. So I think they got it right on for the color as well. In terms of a lasting effect, it stays on pretty well. I don't have super oily eyelids to begin with, so I might not be the ultimate test for whether this eyeshadow will smudge after a long day, but in general, since I started using this, it stayed on pretty well. And especially like when I apply for the lower lash line, it's very important that it doesn't smudge, or else I would look horrifying. So for that point, I think this is a very good product. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this product, except because it doesn't come off very easily at all, and because it doesn't smudge, it's harder to remove it with makeup remover, and that could be my sort of like only criticism about it. But I mean, you can't expect to take off waterproof eyeliners or like mascara that easily anyway, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so that was my quick review of the NUDESTIX Magnet Eye Color Pencil in Immorto shade. Hope you liked it. Please leave me comments and share your thoughts as well. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!